How to kill night beetles. Night beetles are medium to large beetles that come out at night. These beetles often fly around homes due to the attraction to lamps, night lights and porch lights. Night beetles are not a single variety of beetle, but rather can be one of several varieties including Japanese beetles, June beetles and Chafer beetles. These beetles fly around dive-bombing people, get stuck in hair and clothing and create a mess when stepped on. The presence of too many insects and beetles at night can also cause a health risk according to a study published by Environmental Health Perspectives in October 2010. Killing the beetles can be done using a multi-step process. Things you'll need: Bacillus thuringiensis insecticide, small lamp with white bulb, large jar, vegetable oil, bird houses, birdseed. Treat the grass where night beetle grubs live to kill the grubs before they turn into adults. Use an insecticide designed to kill beetles or use Bacillus thuringiensis to kill the grubs. Sprinkle the lawn with the insecticide using about 1 pound per 10 square feet. Water the lawn for about 30 minutes after applying the insecticide to cause the insecticide to seep into the ground where the grubs live. Make a trap for the bugs near any outdoor light source. Fill a jar about 1 or 2 inches with vegetable oil. Place a small lamp with a white bulb above the jar. The beetles will fly into the light and fall into the oil, which will kill the beetles. Encourage birds to live in your yard to eliminate the beetles naturally. Build bird houses for purple martins and other birds that eat a large quantity of insects. Place several bird feeders throughout the yard and ensure dogs and cats stay out of the yard to encourage birds to linger.